Hi students, this is my first video on trigonometry, which is very important chapter in mathematics. Here first we have to know meaning of trigonometry. Trigon means three sides, metry means measure, three sides measure. Here what is the meaning of trigonometry? What is the subject of trigonometry? It is branch of mathematics which deals the relationship between sides and angles of a triangle. Trigonometry, it is the branch of mathematics which deals the relationship between sides and angles of a triangle. That's also particularly right angle triangle. Okay. In entire trigonometry chapter, we are going to use only right angles. That's why I have drawn here right angle triangle figure. One of the angle is 90 degree and these two are acute angles. They are complementary angles. Sum of these two angles 90. Okay. See, and also we will say acute angles. Now here three angles are there, three sides are there. Okay. I will explain later about right angle triangles and about Pythagoras and all those things. Before that, 1 minute, I want to explain the history of trigonometry. In trigonometry, generally, first we are using the word sine. This word first used by Indian scientist Aryabhatta at the time of 500 AD. He wrote a book, Aryabhatyam. In Aryabhatyam, he used the word sine as ardhaja for half chord purpose. Okay, this ardhaja later called as jya or jiva. Next, this Aryabhatyam translated into Arabic language. In Arabic language, jiva, it is not as same word. But when this Arabic language translated to Latin language, they changed this jiva as sinus. Next, in Europe, they changed this sinus as sine, and it was first Edmund Gunter. He was English professor, changed this sign as simply sin. Okay. Next, father of trigonometry, remember his name, Hipparchus. Hipparchus was called as the father of trigonometry. Okay. See students, before going to subject, first I want to introduce Pythagoras Theorem. Because in trigonometry, it's very important. You know what is Pythagoras Theorem? In a right angle triangle, square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. What is Pythagoras Theorem? In a right angle triangle, square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. Okay. In this figure, I kept the name ABC, the triangle, and AC is hypotenuse. So what is AC square? AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. This concept we will use in many problems. Okay. Without Pythagoras theorem, this trigonometry is not there. Okay. So that's why I introduced him. Now, trigonometric ratios. What are these trigonometric ratios? In this chapter, first we have to learn these ratios. The ratio of any two sides of right triangle with respect to acute angle are said to be trigonometric ratios. Listen once again. In a right angle triangle, the ratio of any two sides, here three sides are there. The ratio of any two sides with respect to acute angle, this one or this one, both are acute angles, with respect to this angle or with respect to this angle, is said to be trigonometric ratio. There are 6 important trigonometric ratios. Okay. Here I mentioned the names: sin A, cos A, tan A, cot A, secant A, cosecant A. Okay. Actually, trigonometry means many students feel once by listening the name of trigonometry, oh, it is very typical subject. We can't follow trigonometry. It's confusing subject. Like that somebody will feel. If you follow my videos regularly, nearly 10 videos I am going to release for trigonometry, and after that applications of trigonometry is there. For that also I am going to release 5 more videos, then you will feel, it is very easy topic. What is this concept? Just listen. With this only, total these 6 ratios I am going to explain to you. Means I am writing O by H. Means I am writing A by H. I think somebody follows already. This is, come here, right angle triangle. Here right angle is at B. I am taking acute angle theta here, A. Okay? For A, exactly opposite. It is said to be opposite side of theta. Okay? With respect to A, this is opposite side. And always opposite to 90, it is hypotenuse. In a right angle triangle, opposite to 90 degrees, it is hypotenuse. Fix that one. Next, very near, just side to theta, adjacent is there. Okay? So remember this. I am taking theta angle A. Okay? For that, exactly opposite BC is there. BC side is said to be opposite side. AB, it is very adjacent to that. So this is adjacent side AB. And 90 opposite is hypotenuse. Okay? Yes, yes, hypotenuse. Now, what is sin A? With respect to this acute angle, sin A is opposite by hypotenuse. So O by H means opposite side of A. Opposite side of angle A by hypotenuse. Okay? Opposite by hypotenuse is said to be sin A. Now what is cos A? Concept means adjacent side. Adjacent side of A. Adjacent side of angle A by hypotenuse. So simple. Remember this two. Opposite side by hypotenuse is sin A. Adjacent by hypotenuse is cos A. Now all these things we can find very easy. See, what is tan A? Sin A by cos A. Sin A by cos A is tan A. See, what is sin A? Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. By what is cos A? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse. Here hypotenuse cancel. What you are getting? Opposite by adjacent. Okay? Tan A means opposite side of angle A by adjacent side of angle A. Now, what is cot A? Just reciprocal of tan A. So, what is cot A? 1 by tan A. Now, what we learned about tan A? Opposite by adjacent. Here you can write adjacent by opposite. Now, what is secant A? It is reciprocal of cos A. 1 by cos. Secant is 1 by cos A. Here what is cos? Adjacent by hypotenuse. So here we can write hypotenuse by adjacent. So what is secant A? Hypotenuse side by adjacent of angle A. Now cosecant is reciprocal of sine. So what is cosecant? It is 1 by sin A. So here we learn opposite by hypotenuse. Here we have to write hypotenuse by opposite side of angle A. Okay. These 6 are trigonometric ratios. See once again. What is sin A? Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. What is cos A? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Next, what is tan A? Opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. You can remember that sin by cos also. Okay. Now what is cot? Reciprocal of tan. Tan is opposite by adjacent. So cot is adjacent by opposite. Cos reciprocal is secant. Cos adjacent by hypotenuse. Secant hypotenuse by adjacent. Now cosecant is reciprocal of sine. Sine means opposite by hypotenuse. So cosecant is hypotenuse by opposite. Okay. Remember these two. Sine. What I am telling? It is typical. First somebody will feel like that. Why I entered here these two OH? Opposite by hypotenuse. Okay. After understanding trigonometry, you will feel, it is very easy. AH. So adjacent by hypotenuse. So just all of you remember, sine is opposite by hypotenuse, cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. Okay. With this only entire trigonometry will depend. See, with one example, I am going to explain neatly. Given that tan A equal to 3 by 4, now he is asking to find other trigonometric ratios. Total 6 ratios are there. Only tan A they had given. Now we have to find remaining 5 ratios. How to find that? See, what is tan A? I told you tan A is sin A by cos A, opposite by adjacent. See, tan A is 3 by 4 means it is what? Opposite by adjacent. Okay, that is tan A. So I entered here opposite side 3, adjacent is 4 units. Then what about this AC? We have to calculate AC. For that, use Pythagoras Theorem once again. I am telling Pythagoras Theorem, it is very, very important. See, hypotenuse square is sum of the squares of other two sides. So AC square equal to here AB square plus BC square. Now what is AC square? AB square. See, AB square it is 4 square. Okay. Plus BC square. It is 3 square. What is AC square? AB square plus BC square. 4 square plus 3 square. 4 square it is 16. 3 square is 9. 3 3 are 9. Total 25. Now what is AC? Root of 25. It is 5. Okay. So hypotenuse how much you are getting? It is 5. Now come to the point. What is the first ratio sin A? What is I told sin means? Opposite by hypotenuse. Okay. Opposite of angle A by hypotenuse. What is opposite to angle A? It is 3. What is the hypotenuse here? 5. So 3 by 5. Sin A is what? 3 by 5. Next, what is cos A? Cos A is adjacent side of angle A by hypotenuse. You can write like this also. Adjacent means AB and AC. AB by AC. AB is 4 and AC is 5. 4 by 5. Tan A it is not necessary. It is given already. Okay. Now what is cot A? Cot A is nothing but 1 by tan A. Reciprocal of tan is cot. So they are given tan is 3 by 4. So 1 by 3 by 4 means 4 by 3. How much cot A is? Reciprocal of tan. So 4 by 3 simply. Next, what is secant A? Secant it is reciprocal of cos. Okay. 1 by cos A. See cos A how much we get? 4 by cos A is 4 by 5. So this is 5 by 4. Next, cosecant A. What is cosecant A? 1 by sin A. Okay. Sin and cosecant, these two are reciprocals. So sin A how much we get? 3 by 5. Now it is 5 by 3. So very simple. See once again. Sin A opposite by hypotenuse 3 by 5. Cos A adjacent by hypotenuse 4 by 5. Tan A they had given already opposite by adjacent 3 by 4. Now cut reciprocal of tan. It is 4 by 3. Secant reciprocal of cos. Cos is what? 4 by 5. So secant is what? 5 by 4. Cosecant. What is cosecant? Reciprocal of sin. Sin is 3 by 5. So cosecant is 5 by 3. Like that we can find. See students, now I am going to explain about how to find opposite side, adjacent side and hypotenuse in a right angle triangle. Say PQR. This is the right angle triangle. Right angle is at Q. Now he is asking for angle R. Angle R is here. It is theta. Okay. With respect to this acute angle, he is asking to find what is opposite side. Opposite side of angle R. See here. For this theta, exactly opposite is what? PQ. So what is opposite? PQ. Say with respect to P. Suppose this is theta. What is opposite side? QR is opposite side. Okay. If you change theta, instead of here, if you take theta this one, this is opposite side. This is adjacent side. Now we are taking theta angle R. Now what is adjacent? I told you already. Adjacent side means just nearby side. Okay. So QR. For theta, very nearby side is QR. That is adjacent side. Now what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse in any right angle, it is exactly opposite to 90 degrees. So here 90 degrees is Q. So opposite is PR. So PR is hypotenuse. And remember one more thing. It is always a longer side in a triangle, because in this triangle this is 90 and sum of these two angles 90. It means this is the larger angle. Okay, in a triangle the side opposite to larger angle is longer side. Means in this right angle triangle this is larger angle, so exactly opposite side is longer side. Okay, now what is opposite for this? PQ. What is adjacent? QR. What is hypotenuse? PR. Now come to this figure. This is the right angle triangle XYZ and right angle is at Z. Now for angle X, means first consider this as theta with respect to X. So what is opposite side? For this opposite is YZ. Okay. Now what is adjacent? Just nearby. Adjacent. Adjacent of theta, it is ZX. Now what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse opposite to 90, it is XY. So see once again, with respect to theta, I am considering this as acute angle. Here exactly opposite is YZ and adjacent it is ZX and hypotenuse is XY. Okay. Now for angle Y, in the same figure, if you take theta angle Y, okay, now consider this as theta. This will change. See, exactly opposite. What is opposite with respect to Y, angle Y? It is ZX. Okay. Now what is adjacent side here? Nearby side, it is YZ. Now what is hypotenuse? This will be always constant. For Z, exact opposite is XY. Okay. Here also hypotenuse XY. With respect to angle X, hypotenuse is XY. Now with respect to angle Y also, hypotenuse XY. Hypotenuse means always opposite to 90 degrees. Now with respect to this acute angle, YZ is opposite and XZ is adjacent. If you take angle Y as acute angle, with respect to this angle, opposite is ZX and adjacent is YZ. These two are interchanging. Okay. See, students, find sin C, cos C and tan C for the given triangle. Here ABC, it is right angle triangle, angle B 90 degrees. Here with respect to C, means this is theta. Okay. They are given BC 5 cm, AC 13 centimeters. Now to calculate this sin C, cos C, tan C, first we have to find AB. What rule we have to use here? Pythagoras theorem. So according to Pythagoras theorem, what is that? AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. So I am writing AB square plus BC square is what? AC square. AB square plus BC square is AC square. We don't know AB square. So write as it is AB square plus BC square. It is how much? 5 square equal to AC square is 13 square. Now AB square plus 5 5 is 25 equal to 13 13 is 169. So AB square equal to 169 minus 25, it is 144. That implies AB equal to root of 144, it is 12. So write here 12 centimeters. Like that, calculate first AB value. Now what they are asking? Sin C, first one. What is sin? Students, always you write the ratios. Sin C, okay, opposite of angle C. Opposite of angle C by hypotenuse. Okay, that is what? AB by AC. AB by AC. How much it is? 12 by 13. Okay, sin C is what? Opposite of angle C by hypotenuse. That is 12 by 13. Now they are asking cos C. What is cos C? Adjacent side. Adjacent of angle C by hypotenuse. That is what? Adjacent is BC for C, angle C. Adjacent is BC. And what is hypotenuse? Once again, AC. Now BC here it is 5 and AC is 13. So 5 by 13 is cos C. Now last, tan C. What is tan C? Opposite by adjacent. Okay, opposite by adjacent. Otherwise you can write sine by cos. 12 by 13 by 5 by 13. 13 13 cancel, you will get 12 by 5. Otherwise you see here tan c, it is opposite by adjacent, that equal to 12 by 5. Okay, these are values. Sin c, see once again, sin c opposite by hypotenuse 12 by 13. Cos c adjacent by hypotenuse 5 by 13. Tan c opposite by adjacent 12 by 5. Okay, so in this way I am going to release 10 videos on trigonometry chapter. Okay, after that applications of trigonometry is there. I am going to explain 5 more videos. Okay, if you like my videos, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.